Hello everyone, I'm Nixon from Story Homestead. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be planning kitchen workflow designed based on different kitchen layouts introduced in the previous video. And if you haven't seen that video yet, make sure to check it out. Kitchen workflow refers to the flow of movement between the main activity areas when working in a kitchen. A well-designed workflow can improve efficiency, reduce unnecessary movement, and making cooking and cleaning much smoother. It's generally recommended to design the kitchen according to the sequence: grab, wash, prep, cook, and serve, making the workflow as practical and time-saving as possible. Let's start with the simplest layout, the one-wall kitchen. In a one-wall kitchen, the workflow follows the grab, wash, prep, cook, and serve order. The refrigerator is usually placed near the entrance, allowing easy access to the ingredients. Next comes to the sink, prep area, stove, and finally the serving area. This design follows a straight line, minimizing the distance traveled during cooking. Due to the limited counter space in a one-wall kitchen, it's important to make use of the vertical space. So basically, appliances like ovens and microwaves can be placed in the upper cabinets, while spice racks and utensils holders can be installed on the wall between cabinets to maximize storage. Next is the double-line kitchen layout. The refrigerator is still positioned near the kitchen exit, but with the double-line design, there's an additional counter space. The stove can be placed on the opposite side, forming a triangular workflow with the grab, wash, prep areas, minimizing movement during cooking. The larger countertop allows for more space to place kitchen appliances. For example, you can position ovens, microwaves, and other appliances, for instance, on the stove side, making the cooking process smoother. Placing these appliances closer to the refrigerator and entrance also makes the space more convenient to take out food and heat it directly. And now the third option is the L-shaped kitchen. So you can think of it as one wall kitchen that is bent into an L shape, still following the sequence of grab, wash, prep, cook, and serve sequence. The refrigerator is typically placed on the outermost side for easy access. Unlike the one-wall kitchen, the L-shaped kitchen layout allows for better use of corner cabinet space. So in that sense, which can be used for storing larger pots and other cooking tools. Next up is the U-shaped kitchen design. It's a three-sided layout that creates a complete grab, wash, prep, cook, and serve workflow. So in this setup, the refrigerator, sink, and stove are arranged along the walls, forming a triangular workflow. So this design makes the most of the wall space, providing ample countertop space and storages. The advantage of U-shaped kitchen is that each functional area is within easy reach, minimizing movement during cooking. So this layout is also ideal for multiple people working in the kitchen at the same time, providing more space for activities. Additionally, it can help to separate the kitchen from the living or dining areas, maintaining privacy while offering an open view. Next, we have the G-shaped kitchen. It's an upgraded version of the U-shaped kitchen. So with an added peninsula or partial wall, forming a G shape. A peninsula adds extra counter space and can serve as a bar or a social area, making it great for interacting with family or guests. The G-shaped kitchen increases storage and counter space while maintaining an open view. So this design is perfect for family gatherings and conversations, making it super easy to chat while cooking. So its triangular workflow design also keeps the grab, wash, prep, cook, and serve process efficient. Lastly, we have the island kitchen. In this layout, an island is placed in the center of the kitchen, providing extra workspace and storage. The island can be equipped with a sink or stove, or even can be used as a prep area or social space. It's ideal for spacious kitchens and integrates seamlessly with the living and dining area. The biggest advantage of the island kitchen is that it creates a 360-degree work area, making the workflow more flexible and smooth. Whether for prepping, cleaning, or interacting with family. It makes the cooking process more enjoyable. That's all for today's episode on kitchen workflow design. We hope this video helps you design your kitchen better, making cooking more effortless and enjoyable. So remember to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more home renovation tips. This is Nixon, and I'll see you in the next video.